How do you say friend in French? Un ami. Un ami means a friend in French. Un ami. If you want to specify a female friend, then you can add an E to the end, and you get une amie. Une amie. Elle a beaucoup d'amis. Elle a beaucoup d'amis. She has a lot of friends. Another word for friend is copain. Copain. In the feminine, we get copine. Copine. Mon fils a invité tous ses copains et copines à son anniversaire. Mon fils a invité tous ses copains et copines à son anniversaire. My son invited all his friends to his birthday party. So friend in French is ami. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. Ami comes from the Latin word amicus, meaning friend, which is also linked to amare, meaning to love. Copain originally meant somebody that you share bread with, from the word pain, meaning bread, copain, to share bread. And this is also where we get the English word company from. Your company were people that you would share bread or food with.